Okay, guys? Do you pull the trigger on this?